Morning, dear children. This class is for class 5, class 5th. So, I went through 5 children's, what is that called, the grammar book as well as the class book. Class work is fully incomplete. Only 3 children showed me nicely which is completed. You have cheated me every lesson I was sending you PDF. I have taken lot of trouble, dear children. I'm many children I send word, they are not coming to the to show me the notes because they are not completed, which has been incomplete. They don't want to show. Now I will tell the names who has shown first, because I am going to put in the group. Let your parents see because you have not shown. Not shown means I am here in the mornings in the school. You can bring it to me show, or your brothers and sisters in the high school session if they are there. You can send through them, or else you can, and those who know, you can send to your friends to me. By all means, that has to be reached. Now, who has completed is, one is fully, nicely, excellently completed is Kavya. Second is Shukumar Matpati. Third is Shukumar R.K. Next is Abhishek Upadhyay, and this many children, and Swaroop is on the way. This many children nicely wrote, showed me, completed, and got sign from me. See, I am here in Chikkodi for your sake, children. I have taken risk and I have come to see my children of class 5. This is what I have sacrificed. Otherwise, I could have stayed. I remembered you. I thought that you need my help. So I have come. So I am here to help you out. So this specially video I am sending and talking in this video means you can at least open this video compulsorily and please hear me. You have written, I have sent nicely PDF, photocopies, all that. Now you listen to me. You have done very wrong. So many mistakes in your grammar book. How come so many mistakes after doing in online? So how shall I complete this grammar? I myself don't know. I may take for you long time till June. I won't mind. I will ask father not to conduct your exam. Now take out page number 13. Page number 13. There you have made mistake. Page number 13. Listen the answer. Grammar book. Page number 13. Grammar book. First, fill in the blanks with suitable collective nouns from the box. Box is given. Only you have to search and write. First one, the carpenter came with his set of tools. Second, it is a team of 11 players. Third, 3, the farmer takes his herds of cattle near the river. She is teaching a class of students. There is a fleet of cars on the road. Do not go near the colony of ants. My uncle has gone to buy a rim of paper. A large crowd of men, women, and children blocked the road. Today, the fishermen have found a big shoal of fish. A pack of wolves attacked the flock of sheep. So, this is what the answers which we have written completely wrong. Now, coming to the page number 16. Complete the following. Page number 16, no? Page number 12. Page number 12. Okay? Now, a bunch of grapes, a herd of cattle, a bundle of sticks, a fleet of ships, a pack of wolves, a band of musicians, a brood of chickens, a choir of singers, a gang of robbers, a swarm of bees. So this is the answers. Please correct it. If you come to me with the mistake, you have to write that 25 times. You have tried that 25 times. Please remember. So many have written wrong answers. All wrong answers. Now, take out page number. Page number. Again I am telling you, again I am doing this so that you may, what is that called, write properly. Write properly. I think page number 15 you take out. Write. That again you have made mistake. Page number 15M. 15M. Politeness, rudeness, love, hate, innocent, guilt, honesty, dishonesty, generosity, meanness, kindness, cruelty, happiness, sadness, justice, injustice, bravery, cowardice, patience, impatience, truth, falsehood, strength, weakness, beauty, ugliness, success, failure, friendship, enmity. So please correct this. Please correct this. And down up you go, second one, page number same 15, second one. The patient received treatment from a doctor. Always speak the truth. Life is full of happiness. Health is wealth. The rose has a sweet fragrance. Punctuality is a good habit. Face trouble with a smiling face. The judges give justice. Water is necessary for life. Solomon is famous for his wisdom. So, please go through and do it again this. Okay. Now coming to the next, today I am going to explain to you the next this, what is that called, grammar page, because I can't go to again. I have sent all the things for you in a PDF. You have failed to do so. I am not going to do again and again your correction. If is wrong, you correct yourself and come. I am asking the books and you all are not asking, coming to your home and asking. Some of the houses I visited, parents told me. I went and you have not done my work. Now coming to the, what is that called, page number 46. Adjectives I already explained to you. Possessive pronouns, then adjectives of number, adjectives of quantity, demonstrative. How to demonstrative means interrogatives, question marks, you know that. Possessive means the thing which is already is, which is mine only, that is possessive. So that I explained to you so many times, again and again, no need. Now you come to the next page number 46, 47. 46, 47. Now 46, 47 page you come. Coming to the adjectives. State the adjectives and the nouns in these sentences. Page number 47. Page number 47. Okay. Now, first one. Adjectives and nouns you have tried. Find out the kind of adjectives and the nouns that they describe in these sentences. Okay. Now, Udit was elder brother of Karan. So, elder. Adjective is elder. Noun is there Udit and Karan. Noun is Udit and Karan. Now, second one. The fox is a clever animal. Clever is a adjective and fox is a noun. Clever is adjective and fox is noun. Third one. All the followers looked pretty. All the followers looked pretty. Pretty is adjective and flowers, not followers. I am just made a mistake there. All the flowers looked pretty. Pretty is an adjective. Flower is a noun. Now fourth one, they have enough time to complete their homework. They have enough time to complete their homework. So here you have the difference and they have enough time to complete their homework. So here it is they is a noun. They is a noun. Then which is they is noun. Enough is an adjective. Enough is an adjective. Now fifth one, whose gift is this? So gift is an adjective. Noun is whose. Noun is whose. Okay. Then next one is I read the first chapter of the science book. So science is an adjective, I is a noun. Science is an adjective, I is a noun. Then next is I read the first chapter of the science book, that is over. Eighth one, these notebooks are theirs. So there you write notebooks, an adjective, theirs is a noun. Okay. Ninth one. Which is an adjective, then noun is Raman. Noun is Raman. 10th one. There is a little food left for the puppy. Little is an adjective. Puppy is a noun. Ravi is his best friend. Now, Ravi is a noun. Best is an adjective. Those mangoes are sour. Sour is an adjective. Mangoes are a noun. It was a stormy day. Day is an adjective. Stormy is a day is a noun. Stormy is an adjective. Day is a noun. There are 20 boys in my class. 20 is an adjective. Boys and class are nouns. Few visitors came to see the cricket match. Few is an adjective. Cricket match is a noun. So this is the homework all children should do today itself. Today itself. Otherwise, I'll call one person and ask your parents, how many calls I made so long? You are not opening the video, nor you are doing anything. How much trouble do I take, children? Please have some concern for me. Okay. And complete the work. I want by 15th of March, all the books should be corrected from my class. 5th standard. Please remember and help me. Don't play. Whatever I have sent the videos, I have sent the PDFs. I saw one book is fully empty. Classwork. Yesterday one person has come to me with the book to correct, fully empty. Because I asked, that person has come to show me it is empty. Just how you brought from the storeroom, it was like that. This video is only you will hear. I am very, very angry with that and I am talking you because you have not completed my work. That's what it is very painful for me all the way coming from Mangalore and taking your books with the risky, with the challenge and doing my work. Okay. So children, please, I beg of you, please complete my work and by 15th I want to see that you are faithfully submitting me the work for me. One day I am keeping, so that day you come and all of you collect your books and go correct your books and go. Okay then, see you, bye, thank you and God bless you.